Hey guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I bet you thought you saw the last of me.
Welcome back to my channel.
No, seriously, you guys probably thought I was gonna upload one video, cringe edit, immediately delete it, and was gonna be like, I'm never uploading again. But you were wrong. By the way, I'm gonna try to make every Tuesday my uploading to hold myself accountable so that I actually do that every week. So stay tuned for that. It has been 2025 for 3 months now, and a lot of times in the new year, we like to make new goals for ourselves, resolutions, maybe pick up a new hobby. I am no different from everybody else in that regard. I have picked up a new hobby of my own. What is that hobby, you may ask? I like to bake.
Oh shit.
Or I like to get baked. There's many ways to phrase it. I mean, who can remember them all? I find that it is very important to be open about it and to be ugly and be proud about it. I'm probably wording this wrong. I'm trying to be funny right now. I'm trying to be funny and I guess it's not working. Business in the state that I do currently reside in, it is perfectly legal of a person of my age to engage in this said activity. And in no way is this video meant to promote any drug activities or alcoholism or anything in that regard. This is just something that I like to do when I am perfectly safe and home and comfortable with people that I am comfortable with. Fact that as long as you don't abuse it and you are of age, no harm in engaging in said activity. That being said, times when I do engage in this, I tend to easier than I normally am, which can only lead to mischief and shenanigans. So I have made a video of almost every time that I have baked, and for you, have compiled it for you, quite possibly never take me seriously again after watching. Further ado, let's get on with it, because I feel like after anything that I say here, you will never be able to take me seriously again. So let's just get this over with. I'm here with Sean, and we are miles into space.
No, she's gone. I'm
Loading on air. I am getting high for the first time, and I am gone.
A nice heartbeat. Got a nice jam to it, you know what I mean? Do do do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Do 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 do.
But that would have meant spending more time studying and less time running Jackson's Kids. My charity for little ones who can't help themselves.
Lying little bitch. I'm watching the Goldbergs right now, and why is there a dick in the background of the video? Poor Adam doesn't even know that there's a dick behind him. What even is that?
I've seen them before, but it's not a dick.
No, but do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Gave me weed for the first time. And now I'm fucking done. Fried over.
I don't know why, but for some reason, like when you sent like that bedazzled thing, like that looked straight up like fucking weed tablets or something, or like the Claritin, like. And I was like, wait, why is she like sending me a picture of like Claritin or like weed tablets or something? Watching Blade for the first time. Movie night. Cinema. Wait, should I go spray some?
No, we'll just watch the movie. It's fine.
Okay. But wait. I'm not wearing cinema.
That's okay. It's fine.
What do you mean it's okay?
I don't know. You're wearing something now.
I am wearing something now. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
It's Wanderlust by Michael Kors. I guess that'll have to do. You do it again. Oh, do it again. Oh, no. What did you do with your hand? Okay.
I need to wash my hair. No Chick-fil-A sauce? No Chick-fil-A sauce? Hello. 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 Yeah.
So I am eating spaghetti right now. I just finished, and I can't tell if I'm eating at this very moment a slice of cheese or the spaghetti noodle, because when it's in my mouth and the sauce is off of it, the noodle is very dry and like it doesn't. It looks like moisture was sucked out of it, and then like I at the same time I don't taste the cheese on it. I'm like confused, because if it's drier, that means it's cheese. If it's I don't taste the cheese, that means it's the noodle. This is an important question. Is my phone screen fat to you guys? Well, I mean, because they were like, this is a skinny ass phone screen. I was like, is my phone screen really that fat?
It doesn't matter.
Sean, is my phone screen fat?
No, it's tall.
So wait, what did you give me?
5 milligrams hybrid edibles, like Incredibles, fucking sour apple.
Yeah. Also, thanks. I think it's Charlotte Tilbury, but I could be wrong.
No,
I promise I'll get up. Hold on. No, I'll get up.
no, you can't do it.
No. I promise.
No. No. Don't do it. Stop.
So we're watching the movie, and I saw someone get like blood dropped on their hand, and they didn't know where it came from. So they like checked their gums, and they checked their nose, and they checked their ear, and they're like, wait, I don't know where it comes from. And now there's like some blood party, like those exist. Can anyone just like imagine if like YouTube comes back? Like if YouTube comes back to the point where like people start full on like long form content creating, like I'm legit gonna lose my shit. Like I love YouTube, but like I'm seriously considering making a comeback to YouTube and making like stuff from the good old days, like 2016 type shit. So yeah. I thank you kindly, madam. See, I can do voices too. I have a fucking range. My landing strip?
Don't take the fit. What are you doing?
Because we were talking about tinsel in there.
No. No.
What?
No. No. Stop it.